U MLA na Khliehriat constituency ba Kermenshela u laong ba ki pat ba ki la ban pan da ka RTI na Ophis jong BDO ban yo lut ki Jingtip ki bayadei bat ki Skim MLA ki badai na ka banta ka constituency jong ki lada ja ba ki dan kanu ka jing artatin. Ha ka jing ekran bat ki lat pathai Khubor u MLA u lapan paru ba dan kanu ka jing persha. Lada ka don ka jing toket halor ka jing pentrekam ya ka Skim MLA lada ki pat ba ki shem ba ka kampen roy kampoi shaki.
When it comes to our scheme, the schemes which supposed to be delivered to the people in our constituency. So I'm here not to support or to support. I'm here just on my own, my personal feelings that whatever is the right of the people, it has to go to them. But if we feel there's a missing that it has not been delivered, so the government has fully rights, or even the public has the right to demand for either independent inquiry or any kind of inquiry. We are most welcome for that, especially for myself in my constituency. I myself, I would love people to know that what I have been doing and the schemes, what's supposed to be for them, it reached them on time. We try to be on time. Yes, no doubt delay has been there sometimes, but not intentionally. That's why if you see when it comes to MLA scheme, in my constituency, every year I'm trying to put the application. There's a delay, no doubt, on time, but in the end, we make sure that this 5 years term, each year, all this money has to go to the people of our constituency. No doubt, we have the liberty to put the amount based on our requirement, on the requirement of people, and based on us how much we can put on one location, and then proposal wise, so that we have the liberty. But all this money, 2.5 CR as of now, it has to reach to the people. Nobody has the rights to take it, even the MLAs, though he's been elected, but this money belongs to the people.